One pink wheel here. This is a Weber grill. We're going to be changing out the grill tubes on it. So first thing to note is that is not the model number. That is not necessarily the model name. What you want to look for is something in here that gives you the model number and the part number and all that kind of stuff, so you can look up what kind of tubes you need. They're in the new tubes. Doesn't look to be a lot to it, but my tubes are pretty old, so hopefully they screws and stuff will come out okay. So first thing to do, move your grates. These things in here are called flavor bars. They just lift right off. If they're rusted through, got any holes, you want to replace those also. Next we're going to be removing, there's some screws right there. Mine are coming off pretty easy, so that's good. Washers here too, looks like. So this is up underneath the grill where the burner tubes hook in. So they just slide in. So what you need to do is push them out this way. And then they pull out that way. And hopefully the others do the same. Yes, we got it. So pull it out from the inside. So this part's kind of stuck, so what I ended up doing is just lift it up there, and the end ones through with a little bit of effort. Poor baby. There we go. So try to get This is what it looks like up top. So you want to make sure your holes for your gas flame are pointing this way, and then it fits nicely there and there. And you've got your two holes on the inside because that's where this is going to fit in like that, and it's just going to lay in. I think we want to put this in before. Yes. Be a little bit tricky. Before we actually screw them in, we want to put that in like that, and then get the center one. That's all hooked in there. There we go. Push those down. Everything's sitting pretty there. Put our screws in. Hopefully. Does not want to go in. Hopefully it'll work. We'll test in just a minute. I think it's always a good idea to test stuff before you put it all back together. So should, oh, there we go. And everything lit up good. So awesome sauce.